my goodness. His hair is taking over today. It's a whole lot of hair. Hey, welcome to today's video. This is Chaos Break and I'm Amy. In today's video, we're doing a small little Ulta haul. Thought I would show you what I recently picked up. Want to see what I got? Sit back, take a break with me.
Oh, Sunday. Oh, Monday. Oh, Tuesday.
I hope everyone is having a super great week. Don't mind my hair that's attacking me. I actually got to get ready to go to work in like, I don't know, 15 minutes or something. It is actually March 4th when I am filming this, and I am about to go make a whole ton of bunchkis. Like 1,500 of them. So excited. That is not why you're here, but if you are new here, welcome. If you're returning, we're so glad to have you back. And thank you for all the support we've been getting and the comments on the videos. We really appreciate it. And we really like interacting with all of you. And when I say we, if you don't know, channel is two friends, my friend Amanda and I. Sometimes we do videos together. Sometimes I do them alone. Every once in a while she will. Okay, we do lots of makeup related things, subscription boxes, trying new things, and we would love for you to join us. And we post new videos at least every Sunday and Wednesday, and if we can, in between. Alright, let's get into this little haul. So I went to Ulta specifically for foundation and a birthday present for someone. So I ran out of this and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have more. This is the L'Oreal Infallible up to 24-hour fresh wear foundation. It does have a sunscreen broad spectrum broad spectrum SPF 25. I really love this foundation. It's what I'm wearing right now. Love this. One of my other favorite drugstore foundations right now is the Photo Ready Candid Natural Finish Anti-Pollution Foundation from Revlon. Really like this as well. I think I like the L'Oreal a little bit more, but I do like this one. And I was definitely missing that I did not have it, so when I picked this up, I grabbed this too. I also picked up the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Hopefully, this is more than a concealer. This is something that I wanted to try. I think this was released around the same time as this foundation. Hopefully I got a good shade. I'm horrible at picking out shades. And to pick that up, I'm excited to try that. That's something I've never tried before. I kept saying I was going to get this, and I finally did. This is the Flower Beauty Seal the Deal Hydrating Setting Spray. This is the dewy finish one. I have the matte one, and I really enjoy the mist on that one, so I'm hoping the mist is similar on this one, so I'm very excited to try this. I also got, and this is something I've picked up and put back, had in my cart online several times, but this is the Flower Beauty. Interesting that the writing is this way, but it's okay. Anyways, Shimmer and Strobe Highlighting Palette. So I am really excited to try this. I couldn't wait to do this haul so I can open it and get into that, even though I'm not supposed to be adding things to my little stash, but you know, I probably will. And the last thing that I picked up, I needed to get, just use this today, but this is one of the Real Technique sponges. It has seen better days. I think I have one more of that particular one. But I wanted a new one, and those are about $5, $6, something like that. But I also wanted to try their, what is that one called? It's their 200. So it's the Expert Face brush, and it's like a foundation brush. And I really wanted to try that brush, and that brush was like $8 or $9. So those two together was like, what is 14, 13, something, somewhere in there. And this whole set was $20. So for, you know, $6, $7 more, you got 3 other brushes, which I thought was kind of cool. And then, I don't know why. Well, I can guess that this is because of the L'Oreal products, but they threw in one of the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Glosses in the shade Statement Nude. But then this one makes no sense because I bought nothing Maybelline, but they threw in one of the Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liners in black. So, alright, that was my little Ulta haul. If you love any of these products, hate any of these products, have tried, want to try any of these products, let us know down below. I love to hear you guys' opinions and thoughts on things. And if you have not yet subscribed, we would love for you to join us. And I hope you have a great, great, great day. I'm going to go make moonchies. Bye-bye.